In some parts of Tamil Nadu, many people and children are dying due to dehydration, which is caused by water scarcity. Schools are shut down, people are told to work from home. In summers, it creates more problems, especially in rural areas where people have to walk many miles in the scorching heat of the sun just to get a few drops of water. The biggest cause of worry in Tamil Nadu is the agricultural sector. Rural areas use 80% of the water supply for this purpose. Indian cities and towns regularly run out water in the summer because they lack the infrastructure to deliver piped water to every home. Most parts of the country depend mainly on the monsoon rain for the water supply. The primary reason for water scarcity is the lack of proper urban development and accountability among various civic authorities. Not to forget that there has been an increase in the population with no facilities created to meet the growing demand of water day by day. Many of us don't think twice about turning on the tap to get a glass of water, but that's a luxury for many people out there. 1 in 3 people worldwide don't have access to clean water. Climate change, population growth, pollution, agricultural practices, and failing water infrastructure are all contributing to the global water crisis. Here are some of the ways we can make a difference. Increase awareness and education about water scarcity. It's critical to generate awareness about the crisis and motivate people, businesses, and government agencies to take action. Investing in innovative technologies. There are promising new technologies like wastewater recycling, energy efficient desalination, solar and UV water filtration, nanofiltration, and rainwater harvesting systems that can help address water scarcity. Make agricultural irrigation more efficient. Almost 70% of our fresh water is used in agriculture. Enhance soil moisture sensors, monitoring, weather stations, and communication systems can provide more accurate data to ensure water is not wasted. Improving water infrastructure. In the US, 2.1 trillion gallons of clean water are lost each year because of failing infrastructure. This not only wastes water, it wastes money. Reducing water pollution. Stopping industry and individuals from dumping toxic substances into our water supplies and being able to accurately monitor water quality are critical steps to improving access to clean water. The water seer. Among these top 4 technologies to solve water scarcity is a machine that VICI Labs developed called the water seer. It can pull moisture from the air and produce up to 11 gallons of clean drinking water. It blows winds into an underground chamber that condenses and forms water. There have not been many field tests yet, which caused critics to raise an eyebrow. The desalinator is a solar desalination tool that removes 99% of contaminants from water. It is portable and can produce up to 15 liters of fresh water a day. The company says that it has a 20-year lifespan, making it an efficient and sustainable device for solving water scarcity. The reason for this device lies behind the desalinator's company's philosophy on the importance of clean and hygienic drinking water. Janicki Omni Processor. The Janicki Omni Processor is another of the top 4 technologies trying to solve water scarcity. It was originally going to be a machine to clean waste in cities, but it can produce clean drinking water from human feces as well. The way it works is a 3-step process to create accessible drinking water. These steps include solid fuel combustion, steam power generation, and water treatment. At the end of all these steps, water is then ready for human consumption. Desalination. Converting salt water into fresh water is another way people can solve water scarcity. The process is called desalination and it is a huge step towards ending water scarcity. The process may take a lot of energy to conduct, but there are affordable ways to do so. Graphene filters are a way to waste less energy in the process of desalination. These filters could require the cost of the energy that desalination requires. The Lockheed Martin company has developed a filter that will take into account of the amount of energy this process uses in the hopes of providing clean drinking water while also saving energy.